What's going on, y'all? We back with another video. In this video, let me show you. What I'm doing today is I just took all of this stuff off because the radio housing or whatever dash kit was broke. So I purchased another one, like $10 on Amazon, and I'm fit to replace that. And then this door handle over here, I'm gonna try to replace. It's already one, I don't know if you can see it. It's already another one in the door, so it's like the last dealer or something was going to and didn't do it. But yeah, I'm fit to do that. It should be quick and easy, and then I'm gonna do a walk around and like this video, share this video, comment below what you think about the Chevy Tracker. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to be updated when I drop videos. And like I said, we're gonna get this stuff replaced. I'll come back with y'all and let y'all see the after effect and do a walk around on this video of this vehicle. So stay tuned. Here we go. Yep. So we back. As y'all can see, the new radio dash kit is in, and it is flush, lined up. Everything look good. So first project is down. Next is we moving is to this door handle right quick, and then this will probably be the end after that. Do the walk around, and then that'll be the end of this video. Like I said, I'm gonna just keep hitting y'all with these quick hitter videos until my views and stuff go up, man. You know what I'm saying? I know people ain't trying to really see them long videos like that. So keep hitting with these quick hitters, probably 7 minutes or less, and go from there, man. Quick little fix. Got the new one on, and the door does work now. And as you can see on this old one, this clip right here was broke, which is why I was hanging out. But like I said, it was like the replacement was already in the car, so I just put it in, screwed it in, and it opens the door. Watch. So y'all can see. I ain't bullshitting you. It's right there. Door open. You feel me? So yeah. Like I said, let's do a quick walk around of the Tracker. Step back some. Bam, y'all see it. Quick walk around. Those back windows don't work right now. They don't roll down. But I think it may be just a fuse or something. So I'm gonna try that first and go from there. Just the front seat of it. Back seat. A few stains and stuff. I don't know if that come out on camera good or not, but a few stains on the back seat, but nothing major. I actually like this part of it. If it was a little bigger, I probably would drive it for a little bit, but yeah, just how this back open up and open up wide. That's just, man. But yeah, y'all see it. Quick walk around. Yeah, so spare tires better than the actual tires. But yeah, I mean, it's a nice little SUV for a dealer that you know, buy here, pay here, or just want to make a little extra money on a cash deal. But I think I'm gonna just run it through the auctions, run it back through the auction myself. I may take it in this video. I'm not sure. It look like somebody repaired this or tried to. I don't know if y'all can see how that looked, but yeah. But outside of that, this little molding is off on this door. But outside of that, man, it's cool. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. I think that's gonna be a wrap for this video, so let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Like this video again. Share this video, man, with your family and friends. I'm trying to get to this 100 subscribers. That's my first goal. I think I'm halfway there, so just trying to get it, man. Y'all stay tuned with your boy. Excuse my hair, I'm on my Cam Newton, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, that's gonna be a wrap for this video, man. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and follow me on this journey. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, and y'all have a good one. Peace.